How to install and set up the Duolingo app. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to install the Duolingo application, what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to Play Store and search Duolingo. Now it will take you to this page where you can see the Duolingo language learning app. From here, tap on install and then wait for some time until the application is downloaded. Now that Duolingo has been installed, tap on open. Then Duolingo will be opened. Over here you can see two options, get started and I already have an account. If you already have an account, then tap on I already have an account. After that you can enter your username or your email, then your password, then you can sign in, or you can also sign in from your Google or Facebook. However, if you want to make a new account, tap on get started and then go to continue. After you do that, Duolingo will ask you 9 quick questions. Then tap on continue. After you do that, answer all the questions Duolingo has asked you. Then you can simply use the application. So this is how you can install and set up Duolingo on your device. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.